I'm in Walmart and I'm trying not to look like a crazy person talking to myself. But I'm going to show you some of the things that I think are pretty cute, and then I'm going to pick them out. Like these here are $3, and I think they're really precious. I'm going to pick them out, and then we're going to try them on in the dressing room. So this is going to be like a shop with me as well. I love this color so much. I did try one of these on before, and it definitely has limited shade, but it's still really cute. So I think I'm going to try. I have a cream one. Y'all know I love black. Then I'm gonna try this. These are really cute. Look at that. Look at the tie at the bottom. These shorts are really cute too. I love linen shorts personally. They're $9. I'm gonna wait on the shorts. You know what? No, let's try it. I don't have my size. It wasn't meant to be. Okay. It wasn't meant to be. Didn't have my size. Moving on. Here are more of the linen shorts. I love them. I'm gonna get 8. And then these are on clearance. These ribbed tanks. This would be cute right here with some red shorts for 4th of July. I'm actually wearing my Walmart shorts right now, and I'll show y'all. I love them. I wear them every single week. I will probably need to buy another pair. That is how much I love them. Now I am loving this. That little tie detail in the back. Feeling that. Let me pick that up for sure. Oh, they have just white too, but I like the material. This is like that slinky material. I think I like this one. I'm gonna do the small. Show you like what fits and like what you might need a smaller size in and whatnot.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
These are Walmart shorts, and I showed those to you just a minute ago. These are my favorite shorts ever. I love them so much. I am between a 6 and an 8, and I got an 8, and there's definitely some room, but I have been losing weight a little bit. They are the most comfortable shorts. They don't ride up. I can honestly say these are my favorite shorts I have ever owned, ever. So I'm going to start trying on some tops and just kind of show you how I'm going to pair it with this. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I actually have this tee. If you follow me on Instagram, I have this in like a really beautiful like magenta color. This is so soft. I definitely would size down. These are actually on clearance right now for $7. I will be purchasing this. I love this a lot, and it looks so good with jeans. This is what it looks like out. It's got slits. It kind of goes down like that. But I like to take my tops and just for a little bit more, something, just tuck it in a little bit. Just got it with regular old shoes. Nothing fancy. This is kind of has like a bat wing, so it's like a domain. I love it. It's light and definitely size down because I have the other one and it does not shrink. It's got a ribbed material. You guys, I love it. Let me show you. It's ribbed. Phenomenal. I love it. It's super comfy. I would honestly own every single color of these, and I like the back, the detailing. Like I really feel like I feel more put together. I love it, and it's super loose. The other top I picked out, this was on clearance for $11. I do not like the fit of this. It hits me right in the wrong spot. If this came right above, it would be fine, or even right under it'd be great. This is a medium, and I just don't like it. It's boxy. This is not a good fit. And I'm wearing just a regular old bra. I don't like this at all. So this is definitely a no. And they had all kinds of really pretty colors. It might look good for you, but for me, let me see. I can't get this to look good at all. So no, this one's a no to this. Here is the next top. I like it. It's got like this on the side. Let me show you right there. And you can kind of cinch it up a little more. I like this a lot. This would be cute with the white linen pants. I'm gonna try those on, but I have to like cycle through because they won't let me bring too much in here. I love this. This is really cute. Again, it's just some regular flip-flops, or some, like I have some leopard loafers or some like tan loafers. It'd be super cute. But I like this. It's comfy. It's again the domain sleeve like I like. I've had a lot of babies, so I don't want a lot on the belly area. This is what it looks like untucked. It kind of, I love it. Okay, here is the romper. This romper is $12.44. This is a medium. I would say it's true to size. I think you can tighten it up a little bit if you want. It's really comfortable. It has pockets. I think it's cute with the little shoes. Let me show it to you. This is what the back looks like. I actually really like this. This is really comfortable and cute. This is a win. I love it. They had green, navy, black, and I think another color. This is like wearing pajamas. And y'all know I love pajamas. Another outfit. Okay, here is another romper. I like the length. It's really comfy. I like the sleeves. I don't like it because it makes me look wider. Here it emphasizes this section of me too much. And there's a lot of jiggle back there. So I don't love that. And for $18, not happening. I don't think so for $18. So yeah, I don't think so. But the feeling of it, I think I could size down and it would be better. But not $18. I'll have to wait till it's on clearance. So I got one of these. This was the thing that was on clearance for $3. It's originally, I believe, $4. It's like a linen. I like it. You could actually dress this up a little bit with some cute platform sandals. I obviously have these on today, but some platform sandals and go out. I kind of just put my glasses on with it. I think it's kind of cute. I like it a lot. This would be true to size. I got a medium and I think it fits good. It's good right here. It looks great with jeans. I'm gonna put the linen pants on with it to see what it looks like. Here it is with the linen pants. I love these. I think they are the perfect length. I don't want things all riding up in areas. Not gonna be doing that. But this is cute. Kind of have it tucked out a little bit. This is really cute for like the beach or something. It's light, it's airy. I like this, and I like it with my shoes too. Yeah, there you go. I love it. I think it's really cute and really comfy. I'm usually kind of like cautious with my arms, but I'm digging it. I am not mad at it. Here's this top. It's got a little ruffle detail right here. Little ruffle detail right there, and it's got like a little keyhole in the back. Let me see if I can get that to you. Little keyhole in the back. I'm liking it, but it kind of reminds me of a maternity shirt. And so I try to steer away. I mean, obviously I could do the classic tucking in, and it's cute. I think it's flattering for my bust, and it is really cute. I don't know what I think about this. I'm not in love. I think if it were $5, I would be. How much is it? $12. If it were $5, I would do it. But for $12, I'm not. And y'all know Walmart, it'll be on clearance in 2 weeks, so I'll just wait. That's what I'm doing, maybe waiting. Okay, this is the last one. This is one of the flowy little dresses. And I got a small. I sized down because I've tried on a medium before and it was just too big. I like this. I tied it right here. You don't have to do that. But I feel like it gives it a little more like look to it. I love the pockets. Obviously with my leopard shoes. Super comfortable. Definitely size down in these. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the back. Let me show you what it looks like untied. It's still really cute. I would probably do this with like a cardigan or something. Oh, it's so soft, it's airy. I like the stripes personally. They had solid colors if you prefer, but I like a little bit of texture and look, you know, just a little bit of like pattern. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I feel like this is cute for summertime. I really do. I think this is cute for summertime. That's the back. I like this a lot. Let's see how much this one is. This one's $10. Oh, $10. It is so hard for me to spend money, you guys. I love everything, honestly. I love everything. So, I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. Now I'm gonna go through and see what I like and I don't like. Obviously some of the stuff is like a definite no, but I can't just walk out of here buying everything I like. So I'm gonna show you guys my final haul at the end. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like these. I'm just trying to take you along with the life. The struggle is real. I love everything. Okay, you guys, I know this is a bad angle. I'm sorry. My little thingamajiggy that holds my phone and my camera broke. So it's actually so hot here in Florida, it melted off. No exaggeration. So you want to know what I left with? Dun, 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 dun. You're like, well, that was anticlimactic. I left with a pair of jeans for Chris, another pair of jeans for Chris, and that's all. I couldn't do it. Oh, you guys, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I felt selfish, and don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Usually, like, I don't want for anything. No, we don't have the money to go out and just buy clothes for Mama right now. Summer, we're in the middle of summer, and back to school is rapidly approaching, and that is my focus. Chris needs jeans, my kids need clothes, Mama is taken care of, Daddy makes sure Mommy is taken care of, and if I really, really wanted it, I could have gotten it, but I just didn't have a peace in my heart about it because I've got back to school coming up. So I put it back. I put everything back. I put anything that wasn't on clearance went back immediately. Then the items that I ended up like that I was really, really wanting was that green and white striped dress and that romper and that black shirt and the stripes. I'm like, okay, everything. I wanted everything, but I said no. I said, if it wasn't on clearance, I know that it will go on clearance soon enough, so I can wait. And then the stuff that was already on clearance, I was like, okay, I can wait for it to go on clearance a little more. So if it's still available after I have spent my time and energy and focus on the kids, if it's still available, then I will just believe that the Lord, the universe has opened up and I should buy that romper. But until then, I want to spend anything I have on my kids and my husband right now because they need. Mommy doesn't need. And I just didn't have a peace about it. So it was super affordable. You guys got a ton of ideas, which is amazing. I love my shorts. When these go on sale, you better believe I'm going to be buying another pair. I love them. They're my favorite shorts ever. And they have different colors, but this one here is just by far my favorite. So that is what it is. I spent $30, but it's because I bought 2 pairs of jeans for Chris and they were on clearance. So I still really lucked out. See? Clearance, y'all. $15. He needed them. My baby needed some jeans. I've been spending any extra money I have on the kids and their back to school clothes. It's not very easy for us to just go crazy and do it all in one big thing. So I have just been buying little things here and there. Target had 20% off their Cat and Jack shirts. So I got their shirts for like $4. I think like 3 shirts and a couple pairs of pants. Walmart has got some really cute kids clothes. I'm gonna hit them up next paycheck. I put some little workout clothes on the Old Navy because this is my idea. I'm gonna actually drive while I talk if y'all don't mind. This is the idea. My boys, Noah, he's little, he doesn't care too much, right? But my other boys, they want all workout clothes. And it flip-flopped from Nike to Under Armour to now it's Adidas. And that's fine, I'm okay with that. But for Noah, I have decided to buy basics for him. So basic tees, basic shorts. Gonna get him some tennis shoes that go with everything. And then he's got his little Adidas shoes. Sorry if it's moving around. Because I need for his, first off, he's gonna grow so fast. And then there's no one to pass it down to. And so I'm gonna just buy basics for him. That's my idea. That's the idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite item at Walmart? And do you ever shop at Walmart? I, back in the day, would never shop at Walmart. But honestly, they have stepped up their game. The quality is good. It's really good. Little secret, someone who works at Walmart was unloading some of the purses and saw Steve Madden's brand. So it's like an off brand. It's like the purses that he made, I guess, less quality. Or the No Boundaries purses. Yes, that I promise I saw that on Facebook. So then therefore it has to be real, right? It has to be real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I love you guys so much. I am so excited to be sharing other types of things on my channel. You know I'm going to be busting out the weekly cleaning motivation, but I want to start taking you around and doing some more fun things with you because you really can't get to know my personality when I'm scrubbing a toilet. Can I get an amen? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite outfit? Where do you like to shop to save money? We all know Target's the bomb. But where else? Do you work? Do you shop at Walmart? Do you dare? I dare you to. You're gonna love it. And find me on Instagram. I have my handle right here. If you buy anything from Walmart, especially anything that I showed in today's video, will you tag me? Because I would love to share it with everyone. When you guys tag me in anything, I like to share it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot wait to see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want your weekly cleaning motivation and motivation in all things motherhood and life. I love you guys.